presentation, because that is the key to any good presentation, you know? Facts and statistics. I wonder if he's up there now.
Yes, I'm up here, and I see that you and Seamore are on time and in your places. I like it.
Oh yes, sir, we are always on time. And may I just say what an honor it is to be working with such a well-known, highly established...
Yes, that's great, wonderful, amazing. But where is your coworker, Clyde?
Clyde? I just saw him backstage a minute ago with Josh. Josh is always live streaming.
Clyde?
Clyde!
Okay, look, I found my buddy Clyde, and I'm actually on stage now. So here we are, actually on stage, and that's
Josh!
Nicole.
You're late.
Late for what? Oh, rehearsal! It's so embarrassing. Nicole, I just started my live stream. Give me 1 second, okay? Hey, Mom, I have to go. I have rehearsal. Yeah, I know. It's Wednesday. Okay, I love you. Goodbye.
Hashtag, you're still late.
Hi, sir. Sorry, Clyde and I are just having some fun. Nicole, why don't you tell me the new director is here?
All right, let's get started.
Uh-huh.
Do you know why we're all here?
Oh, I do. We are here to celebrate over 60 years of world-class education. World-class conservation.
And world-class fun!
Okay, let's get started with scene one.
Great.
Sea lions.
Uh-huh.
What are they?
Yes.
Who would like to take this?
Oh, pick us. We know all the answers. Pick us, pick us, pick us.
This section is filled with information about sea lion adaptations.
Uh-huh.
Facts, and more facts.
Did you say facts? Oh no, I didn't study. Did we, Clyde? We definitely didn't. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to take this.
Today, I would like to share with you all some amazing facts about the California sea lions. Oh, thank you, but the real accolades go to sea lions like Seamore here. Now, many people confuse seals and sea lions, and although they are related, there are some pretty obvious differences. For one, sea lions are much longer than seals. Look at you, buddy, you're like 6'7", and you weigh about 500 pounds. Another difference is the way that they move. Sea lions rotate their hip bones and walk on all four flippers, just like this. Now, seals move a little differently, and Seamore here is the king of seal impressions. All right, buddy, are you ready to show him how you can move just like a seal? Very nice. Sea lions are also very social animals, and they do make a wide variety of vocalizations. Did you guys know that sea lions get their name from their very loud roar? Guys, give it up for Seamore!
Thank you so much, Seymour. Thank you, Nicole, for covering for me and Clyde. It's so embarrassing I didn't study. I do have one note as I was listening. Nicole, that sounded like a lot of sciencey facts going on out here.
You know, sciencey isn't even a word, Josh.
It's not a word?
No.
Well, it should be. Hashtag sciencey. I'll make it official.
Yeah, well, this stuff is important to share with our guests, isn't it, Mr. Director?
Yes, it is.
See?
Nicely done, Seamore.
Oh,
Hey, buddy.
Clyde, do you think you two can handle the next section?
Sure.
Sea lions, where are they found?
You know what? Nothing would give me more joy, honestly. Now, Clyde, I know we didn't study today, but do you think we can handle this next scene because you're a sea lion, yeah? Right? You are a sea lion? Yes, okay, so, oh, wait a second. Who am I kidding? Seymour is the one who studies all the time. We gotta find Seymour, okay, buddy? He's got all the answers. I need you to follow my every single move and stay close behind. Seymour. Where did he go, Clyde? This is crazy. He was just out here. Oh yeah, he's with Nicole. Okay, Clyde, go backstage right over there, okay? I think he's backstage with Nicole. I'm gonna check out these tracks right here. I can't tell if they're yours or Seymour's. Let's see. They look very similar, buddy. Whoa! I didn't need your help looking. Nothing.
Josh, what are you doing out
Oh
here?
my gosh. Oh, hi. Oh, hey. Hi, we were looking for Seymour. Where did he go?
Back there.
What?
Josh, you are not taking this seriously. He needs to be taking this seriously, right?
No.
Hey!
Wow, that segment actually worked.
Oh, cool.
But I'm not 100% sure why. I think we need a break so I can figure it out. Take 5, everyone.
Sure.
I could use a soda. All right, I think we may have found a way for you two to work together. But this next scene will be the real test. It's the conservation scene. Seymour, you're up first. Make an impact.
Oh, this is my favorite part of the entire presentation. You know, I believe that children truly are our future, and conservation requires that we inspire the next generation to care about our planet and the animals that we share it with. Now, sea lions like Seymour are super special because they inhabit both land and sea. And now I need somebody from the next generation to come down here and help me out. I saw your hand first, buddy. What's your name? Aiden, where are you from? That's okay, don't tell strangers where you're from. It's okay, Aiden. Alright, well you're about to meet my best friend Seymour. Do you have a best friend that's a sea lion? No? Okay, we're gonna make that change today. Alright, so the best way to make friends with a sea lion is through his stomach. Alright? So what I'm gonna have you do is feed Seymour a fish, okay? So take this fish and throw it to him. Very good, Aiden, you are well on your way to being best friends. Now another thing he likes to do is play games. So we're gonna play follow the leader, okay? So I want you to look at him, and when I tell you to, I want you to take this hand and point up to those trees. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, point up to the trees. That way. Very good, Aiden, because you pointed, he went all the way to that ledge. That was awesome. So now, as a thank you, we're gonna get your photo taken with him. All right, Aiden, woo, welcome to the splash zone, buddy. You're gonna come right here. You can put your hand up there on his flipper. Look at your family. Don't worry about those 36 super sharp teeth he has in his mouth, though, okay? All right, guys, on the count of 3, everybody say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Guys, give it up for Aiden, our future conservationist. Oh. Seymour, Aiden was awesome. I cannot wait to see what Josh and Clyde can come up with.
Oh, buddy! Clyde! Seymour did so good for a scene. I wish we studied. We didn't see anything about this on TikTok, so we're just gonna have to make it up ourselves. Hi, everybody. For Clyde's scene, we are gonna need someone who is very, very smart, like our last volunteer. We do need someone a little taller this time, okay? Really tall, really, really brave. Tall, brave, intelligent. Okay? Tall, brave, intelligent. Never mind, sure you'll do. Okay, Clyde! Look! Do you know who this is? You don't know who it is? I'll ask him. Hi, what's your name? Justin, where are you from? Florida? Yes, he's all the way from Florida. Okay. This is Justin, everybody. Give him a warm welcome. All right, Justin. My friend Clyde can't wait to play his favorite game with you. The message is we have to work together to make sure conservation works for our planet, right? So you stand right in front of Clyde, Justin. Clyde, this is Justin. He's very tall, so watch him. Okay, Justin, I'm going to tell you to do things, and you're going to do it to Clyde. He'll do it back at you. Okay, Clyde, you ready? Watch Justin. All right, Justin, put your hand, both your hands on your hat. Go ahead. Okay, well, here's the good thing. He's looking at you. I think you guys are making eye contact, so that's a good thing. Maybe he wasn't ready, so we're gonna try again. All right, Clyde. You ready? This is your favorite game in the whole wide world. Watch Justin. I'm gonna be back here. Okay, Justin, put your hands on your head. Okay, we're gonna move on. Clyde, we're moving on. Just turn around in 3 circles. Go. Here it comes, Clyde. Go ahead, Justin. how exciting that is, Clyde. Please do something here. Why don't you jump up and down? Okay, I have a confession. Clyde's never played this game, guys. As you can tell, but we wanted to see what you would do, and you're being silly, and you look silly, and that's fun. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is something easy. You saw our friend throw Seymour fish, and he caught in his mouth like that. You wanna try that? I'll grab a fish for you. You stay right there. Justin, open your mouth. Swallow it. Ready? It's fresh. Smart man. Okay, here. Why don't you give this to Clyde? I'm just playing around with you. Go ahead, throw that in his mouth. You're doing such a great job, Justin. I know you didn't volunteer for this, so we're gonna say thank you by taking a photo with you and your new best friend Clyde. Okay? You have your camera right there. Perfect. Okay, he's gonna hop up right here. He's gonna try again. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do that next time. Tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Okay, here. Why don't you go ahead and kneel down? He's gonna pose behind you because he's forgetting what he has to do right now. Okay, you ready for your camera? All right, on the count of 3, we're gonna say sardines. All right, get out your view. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sardines. Oh no! Oh, Justin! Oh man, what happened? Justin, I'm very sorry. I think he just has very powerful pectoral flippers.
Whoa, Josh, did you hear yourself? Clyde, you powerful pectoral flippers! You were sharing some sciencey stuff with all of our guests.
Okay, Nicole, I'm pretty sure you said sciencey was not a word earlier.
I know, but it should be because it's super fun.
Thank you.
Finally, you have discovered what has made SeaWorld so special for the last 60 years.
We have?
Yes, you shared interesting facts about sea lions, and you had fun doing it.
And Aiden learned about the important relationships that we make with all of the animals in our care.
That's right, and Justin learned what high school soccer feels like.
But there is one very important thing we haven't done.
What's that?
The finale.
Oh, yeah.
Every sea lion presentation ends with a big, splashy finale.
different and completely hilarious show. See you